name is Sara and I'm the curator here at Lenoir Preserve. Today we're going to be talking about maple sugaring here at the preserve and how we do it and what we need. So first we want to pick out a specific tree, and we obviously know we want a maple tree, but the specific type of maple is the sugar maple tree. And we have one right here. We also want to make sure that it's old enough for us to not injure the tree, so we like to say we want a tree that's over 40 years old, so that's about this thick. So I think this one is good. So we have our sugar maple tree. And then we want to tap the tree, and that's when we drill a hole about this size into the tree, and we put a spile in the tree, which allows the sap to drip out into these buckets. So when the sap drips out of these buckets, it actually looks just like water because it's 98% water and 2% sugar. And we get these huge buckets filled with this sap that looks like water, and then we have to do the next step, which is evaporate that. And that's when you get to see that brown, gooey stuff that looks like our maple syrup. This is Lenoir's Sugar Shack, and this is where we take the sap after we've collected it from our sugar maple trees. We will pour it in this evaporator. It will drip down into this pan, and then it will be fire fed. We'll have a fire going in here to boil this sap. So we have a lot of work to do since it takes 40 gallons of sap to make 1 gallon of maple syrup, and if it's 98% water and we're trying to get that sugar, we have a lot of evaporating to do. So the sap will evaporate, the water will evaporate out, and then you'll start to see the brown gooey stuff in our evaporator, and that's when we get our tasty maple syrup.